In this tutorial I will show you that how you can fix Roblox running in the background. So let's dive right in. From desktop, right click on this Roblox and open up its properties. From properties, you need to open this compatibility, and here you need to make sure the compatibility mode is off. Close it and search for Task Manager. Open it and here you will be on this processes. So here in Task Manager you need to find Roblox player files. After finding it, simply if you right click on that Roblox player files, it will show you option like that and task. Simply click here and task. So in my case, it's not showing me Roblox file in the processor. If it's showing you, you can simply end task like this from your side on Roblox player files. And then again, right click on this Roblox player and open up its properties. Open its compatibility and click on this Run the program in administrator. Click apply and OK. And then simply restart your PC or laptop and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Roblox running in the background in just few steps.